Ladies, it's time to invest in yourself. Fellas, it's time to invest in yourself, your mental, your physical, and today we'll be talking about the importance of investing in yourself on 3 levels: mental, physical, and spiritual. By nurturing these aspects of your life, you will unlock your full potential and experience greater happiness, success, and fulfillment. We're going to cover these 3 main areas: your mental investment, the importance of continuous learning, a positive mindset, and goal setting; a physical investment, the benefits of taking care of your body through physical nutrition and self-care; and lastly, spiritual investment, where you can learn values of mindfulness and gratitude to connect you to your inner power. Watch to the end so you can be inspired to prioritize your self-investment and take the steps that's going to improve your life in all areas. Hello, I'm Jordan E, and I help you set up your online business for success. We also talk about digital marketing and just all the things that we need to be able to set up a successful online business. I also just share my journey as a one-person business. If that resonates with you, then subscribe and welcome. Join our growing community because I would love to have you. So, with your mental health and your mental investment, it's all about lifelong learning. You need to stay curious and open minded to new knowledge and experience. Skill development will help you to develop new skills and improve your existing ones. Being adaptable and having adaptability will just help you become a lifetime learner and being able to adapt to challenges. What you want to do is develop a growth mindset. And a growth mindset is a concept of you growing and being empowered to achieve your goals. So when you're goal setting and planning, you can set clear goals and provide direction for your life. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. And that's how I like to create goals for my own business and personal development. And creating a plan, this is going to just help you detail everything that needs to be done so you can achieve your goals. So now let's get into our physical health and wellness. So you want to be taking care of your physical health so you can reduce risk in chronic disease and just overall improve your well-being. Your energy is vital, and you need to have regular exercise and a balanced diet to be able to raise up your energy levels and be able to sustain yourself. You'll also be able to improve your mood because physical activity does have a positive impact on your mental health and your mood. So if you're stressing, go out for a nice walk, drink you some water, and get out there and get your body moving. It's going to help you feel better. If you've been shut in all day, not doing anything, go get some fresh air and maybe go for a quick walk. Having regular physical activity can also help you improve your heart health, weight management, and overall build up your muscle tone in your body. A balanced diet is going to include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And you want to stay hydrated. So make sure you're drinking your water because when you're hydrated, that's going to help you have optimal health. Also, it's good to manage your stress. You can manage your stress with things like meditation, prayer, deep breathing. Sleep is the next on the list because you need to have quality sleep so your body can recharge itself and be prepared to serve you the best it needs. Basically, you can't be sleep deprived and expect to be full of energy. It just doesn't work. So please make sure you're getting your adequate amount of rest because just as important as it is for us to work our bodies and have physical exercise, eating right, our sleep also brings in that balance so our body can have time to rejuvenate itself. Your sleep is definitely important. Here are some relaxation techniques: taking a warm bath, listening to some calm music, going outside into nature, spending some time, and just focusing on breathing are all great techniques to relieve stress and relax yourself. Now let's talk about our spiritual investment. That's going to help you to focus with prayer and meditation. That's going to help you to reduce your stress levels and anxiety. And when you have an increased focus, you're going to be able to concentrate and pay attention to things and give it more attention and care. I like to practice gratitude and positivity and just looking at the things that are going right and how I can improve upon them. Also, when you have positive experiences and you approach things with a positive outlook, usually that's what comes back to you. So, the benefits of self investment will increase your productivity and your focus. So, your enhanced concentration by investing in your mental health and well being, you can improve your ability to focus and concentrate. Now you're going to want to take care of your physical needs as well, because that's going to help you manage your stress and minimize the distractions and produce your productivity. Next, by setting clear goals and creating plans, that's going to help you stay focused and motivated. And then you'll also be able to raise up your self-awareness level and your personal growth. And that's going to help you be able to connect with others and create strong relationships. You'll be able to, with self-investment, you can work on your communication skills. And that has the ability to also help you build positive relationships. Self-care practices that can help you manage different stress and anxieties can include building up your spiritual strength through praying, and that'll help you to overcome your challenges and setbacks. So just some key points: keeping a positive mindset and goal setting for your mental investment, for your physical investment, making sure that you're exercising, you're getting the proper nutrition, and you're partaking in self-care. And lastly, for your spiritual investment, make sure you're praying, that you're meditating, that you're practicing gratitude, and those things are going to help you transform your life. And remember, it's okay to start small, because even the small changes can have a big difference in your life. So believe in yourself and the importance of investing in yourself in all three of those areas. I hope that this video is helping someone out there today. And as always, if you want to work with me to be able to get your ball rolling with your online business or start building up your email list, then go ahead and click the link that I'll have in the description box. And I cannot wait to see y'all in the next video. I'm Jordan, and I'm on a mission to help you earn money online and transform your life. As I build my very own one-person business, I want to help share the strategies and all the things that I'm learning along the way. Do you have what it takes to build a thriving online business? Ready to learn a skill that can seriously impact your income? As I grow my very own business, I want us to grow together. This is the opportunity to learn and earn and give you 100% ownership. You'll be able to tap into the same resources and tools that I use that have helped myself as well as many others. Join me if you want to be a part of this thriving online community. Get yourself set up and create the life that you always desired and get one step closer to your very own financial freedom. The most exciting part, you'll be set up to earn money that comes directly into your bank. For a one-time investment, you'll be in position to earn over and over again. If that sounds like something that you'll be interested in, then go ahead and click the link down in the description. Be blessed, guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.